Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add custom fields in Trello. First, go to your card that you want to add a custom field to, click on it and it will open up like this. Now simply click on Add button and all the way down you should see Custom Fields. Click on it. Now click on New Field and give your field a title. Simply select the type of your field, so it could be a checkbox, date, drop-down, number or text. Then click on this icon if you want to show field on front of the card, which you mostly want, so keep it checked, and click on Create. Now simply add a field. As you can see, this field is added, you can delete it right here. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.